Welcome back to the channel. A bit delayed, I know, and I am sorry, but sometimes life happens and this is the best I could do. So the video has been delayed, but we are finally gonna give away the MagSafe wallet I made, and it's the first giveaway I've ever held. So please bear with me if I'm doing mistakes. Probably am, but yeah, let's just get right into it. I know you are all excited to see who wins it, so we'll jump onto the iPad and go to this website and pick a winner. Let's do that now.
I just chose this site, pickawinner.co. I've never done this before, so let's hope this site will give us a good experience and it's okay for you guys. But please comment below on this video if you have any suggestions for future giveaways, if there's something that I'm not doing correctly. I'm learning as I go here. I have pasted my link, so let's click fetch, I guess. Okay, we will include replies, but we will not allow duplicates. I think that's okay, right? Okay, it's loading all the comments. 57 unique comments. Sounds about right. Let's pick a winner. Okay, Rafael Lafar. Am I pronouncing that correctly? Okay, thank you for your comment and participation, and congratulations. Let's see, I will try to contact you, but I'm not sure if I can find your contact details on YouTube. But if you do not hear from me, please contact me through Instagram. You can find my Instagram in my About section on YouTube. So just contact me there and we will sort everything out. Congratulations again, Rafael.
There we go. The winner has been picked. This will be shipped to you, and I hope you enjoy it, and it will last you a really long time. So this is it for the MagSafe wallet, but we have upcoming projects. I will show you a bit of a hint on an upcoming project here. It involves this MacBook 12-inch sleeve, which we will be doing something cool with, or at least I think it's gonna be real cool. And it might not even work because this leather is so treated and edge painted and bonded together. I think it's even two layers on each side. So but I have a really cool plan for it, and I will produce or create a video or shoot a video regardless if it turns out good or bad. So we'll just have fun with it. So stay tuned for that one, and hopefully it will not be such a long wait between this and the next video as it was for the previous video and this one. So yeah, I'm sorry for that again, but stay tuned. We have some great content coming up. Boom!